If you want that blue verification badge on TikTok in 2025, this is the fastest and safest way to apply. And yes, it actually works. First, open your TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and find Account Status. Make sure everything there shows good standing. If you have any community guideline violations, fix those first, because TikTok only verifies clean accounts. Once your account status looks good, go back and scroll to the bottom. Tap on TikTok Support and then tap Chat with Us. In the chat, simply type Submit Ticket and wait for the system to show you the ticket form. When the ticket form opens, write this exact message. Hello TikTok team. I am writing to let you know that my account is very popular and needs a verified badge to show my authenticity. Keep it short, polite, and professional, just like that. Then hit Submit Ticket. You'll see a confirmation screen that your request was sent successfully. Now, here's the key. Verification requests are reviewed manually. If your account has consistent posts, high engagement, and no violations, you can get verified within 24 to 72 hours. Make sure your profile photo, username, and bio all look professional. That increases your approval chances. And that's it. You just applied for TikTok verification in under 2 minutes. If this helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more TikTok 2025 tricks and updates. See you in the next one.